So friends, this here is the sag tree, or as we call the Indian teakwood. This is the guy you always ask when you go to a furniture guy that I want teak. Look at the big distinctive leaves. So this is a small baby. This one is growing up. There's another one here. So what we usually do is leave the single stem go up. We chop off the excessive small leaves or branches that come off from the sides so that we get a uniform thickness teak wood. And this here is all the natural, when the leaves fall it becomes compost and again provides energy to the trees. The jungle rules. This big guy, look at that. So we have a couple of teak woods over here, and there is one another plant. This guy, this is called the Noni. If you look up on YouTube, you'll find a lot of videos that say Noni is the cancer preventing fruit. So it's in jungle, we find it here. There are a couple of more over here. I'll just show you. There you go. So this guy is called Noni. Just look it up. You'll find a lot of information, and we have this guy growing in jungle over here. So I'll just give you a size comparison of the leaves. So this is my hand, and this is the leaf. Pretty big, huh? The dead leaves composting naturally.